Introduce highlight features or overview summary for double-din car stereo, Corehan 10-inch touchscreen, car radio, Bluetooth, multimedia player with backup camera, compatible with wireless Carplay. Wireless Android Auto, mirror link. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Compatible with wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto. Turn your dashboard into a mobile command center, your dashboard just got smarter. 1 second super fast boot. Compatible with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, no cord, no connection. This touchscreen car stereo lets you conveniently access apps from iPhone and Android phone. Mirror your phone to a bigger screen. Enjoy a 10 inches high-resolution bigger screen. Mirror link your phone display on the 10-inch touchscreen of the car stereo with Bluetooth for an enjoyable riding experience. Multimedia player, equipped with USB to offer multiple options for music and movie enjoyment in the vehicle. The Bluetooth connectivity allows for hands-free calling, and wireless music sharing, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto via your smartphone. It delivers an amazing experience for entertainment and beyond during your drive. Your car's best assistant, come with a complimentary waterproof, wide-angle reverse camera. For a ride that's both safe and fun, this 10-inch double-din car stereo comes with radio reception, steering wheel control access, and backup camera support. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. And press the bell, select all and press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.